Day sales are now live. As you can see, we've been overproducing. We have tons of in-stock inventory ready to ship. This time in the world, the way the metal prices are going up and up and up, we've actually been purchasing in bulk so that we can get you guys all the savings. It's not fun when all the prices keep going up for us, but we're doing our best on our end to, I guess, over-purchase material and keep these sales happening, guys. Just our way of giving back. We thank you guys for the years of support and the hundreds and hundreds of trike kits that have been honestly going out all over the world. So again, check out bvctrikes.com to order your trike kit today. And of course, we do offer parts and pieces for just about everything out there, from the ATC 250R, 350X, and many more. Use code AMERICA at checkout. You guys are going to be saving big. Thank you. Appreciate the support, guys. Everything we do is made in-house, made in the USA. That's our number one thing, is made in USA. You guys can see a batch of orders that are shipping out today. My guys have just been wide open, flying through these orders. And again, we're doing our best to speed up our production, get deals on material so that we can pass savings on to you guys.